Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this painting demonstration I'm going to be showing you how to paint a silver goblet. And these are really good subjects to paint if you really want to do well with your still life paintings and hopefully sell some of them. So it's kind of a quick painting demo really. Because it's a demonstration, I paint it quite loosely really, but I've painted this really with a lot of realism in the past, put more time and effort into it. So if you follow the steps, you could paint it, take a bit longer and paint more realism into it. But anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Well, I've used 5 colours for this, which are titanium white, cadmium yellow, alizarin crimson, ultramarine blue and burnt umber. First thing I did, paint the background in to bring to isolate the cup, bring it forward so I can see where I'm painting. And first thing I'm doing is painting the darks in, which will help me judge my values better when I go to the lighter areas of the cup. It's a alla prima painting, wet into wet, so I did it in one go, so it's a pretty quick painting. As I said in the intro, pretty loose. The real-time video for this is on my Patreon channel, where I've done a series of art teaching videos. And if you go to patreon.com and type in Paul Anthony Barker Art, you'll come to my channel on there, where you can see all the videos I've been doing. Okay, so I'm quickly getting paint all over the cup, just get all those different areas and values painted in, and so I can then step back a little and have a look and see where I need to go from there. The handle is quite intricate with lots of little curves and things, so I will do an impressionistic version of that. Okay, first thing I'm doing now, I'm going to go over the cup again, so I'm just blending the areas so I can see where I need to do a bit more work if I blend them all together. Make it a bit more unified, and once I've gone over the cup and blended again, I'll then kind of take another look and then work those areas that need working. So just sharpening the top, the rim of the cup, and onto the handle, painting the values in there and bringing forward the little intricate shapes of that handle. And I'm still blending the parts of the handle together so I can judge better where I need to go with it in a moment. As with painting the glass, it's pretty easy to paint metal objects as long as you just concentrate on your colours and your values. That when you step back and have a look, it will look like metal. And even though this is a silver cup, as you probably realise, it's pewter, so it's not pure silver. So it would be worth a lot of money if it was real silver. Okay, so back down to the base again, blending that in, highlighting, sharpening areas up, and back onto the body, around where the highlight is, trying to make the 3D effect there. Trying to make it look like it curves away, and on the top of the cup there as well, and back on the handle, and the little intricate parts of the handle I'm highlighting to sharpen those and bring them forward, and painting around the outside of the cup as well, just tidying the edges up. And so I'm kind of moving around a bit all over the cup, And just to bring the cup forward a bit more, the background was a bit too light, so I just darkened it on that side. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in learning to paint still lifes, I do have lots of painting videos on my Patreon channel, and this is one of them. It's in real time, so you can follow the painting process. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you've not done already, because I've got lots of videos I'm making. I've been making videos on landscape painting and portraiture. On my Patreon channel, I've got paintings of my little dog, Bella, so if you're interested in pet portraits. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.